Hey guys, welcome back to Math from My Desk, and in today's video we will be solving a problem which I believe is from a Russian math olympiad, where we have to figure out between these two numbers, 50 to the power 50 and 49 to the power 51, which is bigger. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply both, divide both numbers by 49 to the power 51. And when I do that, this right here, obviously that's going to become 1. Now, what is this going to become? That's what we're going to try to figure out, and that is how we're going to go ahead and solve for this. So let's focus on 50 to the power 50 divided by 49 to the power 51. I can rewrite this as 50 to the power of 50 divided by 49 to the 51. That is just equal to 49 to the 50 times 49 to the 1. This is from properties of exponents. So I can write this as 50 to the power 50 divided by 49 to the power 50 times 1 over 49. Now, the left-hand side here, I can take out the exponent. So I would have 50 divided by 49 to the power of 50 times 1 over 49. Now, how would we figure this out right here? We could, I suppose, divide the fraction, but that would take an awful long time. And this is an Olympiad again, so you don't have much time. So how would you solve this? Well, it starts by recognizing that 50, that is just 49 plus 1. So we have 49 plus 1 divided by 49 to the power 50 times 1 over 49. Now, what is 49 plus 1 over 49? That is simply 49 over 49 plus 1 over 49. 49 over 49 is 1. So we end up with 1 plus 1 over 49 to the power of 50 times 1 over 49. Now, I want to make the denominator in this fraction here and the power be the same, and I'm going to explain why later. It's all has to do with Euler's number E. So if I want to do this, I'm going to make the power here 49. So we have 1 plus 1 over 49 to the power 49 times 1 plus 1 over 49 times 1 over 49. Now, this right here, how do we figure this out? Well, remember that the definition of E, Euler's number, that is equal to the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the power of n. And this is similar to this form right here. We have 1 plus 1 over 49 to the power of 49. So E is approximately 2.718, and it goes on since it's an irrational number. So that means that even if this n right here gets bigger and bigger and bigger, it's always going to be less than E. Since as n goes to infinity, this is going to go to E. So 1 plus 1 over 49 to the power of 49, it must be less than 3, since E is less than 3. So we have this as less than 3. Now this is times 1 plus 1 over 49. We can almost see it as something that is negligible. Why? Because 1 over 49, this is something that is really, really, really small. So 1 plus something that is really, really small is almost equal to 1. So we can say times approximately 1. So we're basically approximating a lot of this, and we'll see that at the end it works out. Now 1 over 49. 1 over 49, this is going to be less than 1 over 6. Why? Because 49 is greater than 6, and so since it's in the denominator, this right here is smaller than 1 over 6. So we can, just for the sake of this argument, let's approximate 1 over 49 to be 1 over 6, even though we know it is smaller. Alright, so now what we obtain is, let's ignore this one right here. So we have a number that is less than 3. We can approximate it as 3 times 1 over 6. That number is going to equal to 3 over 6, which is equal to 0.5. And the approximations we made is we in our calculation we use 3, and we know that this number 1 plus 1 over 49 to the 49 is less than 3, and we use 1 over 6, and we know 1 over 49 is less than 1 over 6. So we know that this thing right here, it is less than 0.5. And so this practically concludes this problem. So if we go back to the numerator right here, we approximated 50 to the 50 over 49 to the 51. We know that this is going to be less than 0.5. And since this is less than 0.5, it's going to be less than 49 to the 51 divided by 49 to the 51. So we can conclude that 50 to the 50 is less than 49 to the 51, because 50 to the 50 divided by 49 to the 51, we approximated it to be around 0.5, even if it is less than 0.5. 49 to the 51 divided by 49 to the 51, that is 1, and 0.5 is less than 1. And so this inequality is true. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video.